Whispers of the forest call my name. Veil of dreams and shadows I became. Stars above like lanterns in the sky, guiding me where echoes never die. Moonlight floods the hidden path I tread. Dancing leaves the stories left unsaid. Mystic winds, they carry ancient lore. Mysteries unravel evermore. Rise with me through endless night. Feel the dawn, embrace the light. Heartbeats thrum in harmony. We ascend eternally. Rivers flowing like a silken thread, winding tales of all the words unsaid. Horizons stretch beyond what eyes can see. Depths of dreams unlock a hidden key. Echoes in the mist, they sing to me. Silent voices from eternity, binding every step we leave behind. Weaving tapestries within the mind.